Where's the best place to be a dolphin? Right now, it's off the coast of India. That's because India is the only country in the world where dolphins have rights. Don't worry, you won't see them in a voting booth anytime soon. But you won't see them in cages either. In India, dolphins are now considered non-human persons. They're not us, but they're like us in so many ways. Here are just 5 similarities to start with. Number 1, their DNA looks like yours. You might not have a beak, 2 flippers, or use echolocation to see, but gene mapping studies show that human chromosomes and dolphin chromosomes are almost identical. Really, the main difference between a dolphin's genome and yours is how the chromosomes are arranged. Based on these findings, researchers at Texas A&M University are studying how dolphins are affected by toxins in the ocean, and are hoping this will shed light on how humans may be affected. Number 2, they're self-aware. You're not the only one who does weird things in front of the mirror. Dolphins are one of the few mammals that can recognize their own reflection. Of course, there are other ways to prove that dolphins are incredibly smart, but none are as fun. The first time a dolphin sees a mirror, it will typically inspect it before attempting to communicate with the creature on the other side. Once the dolphin realizes that it's seeing a reflection of itself, it starts acting a little silly. We've all been there, don't deny it. Dolphins tend to play in front of the mirror or blow bubbles. It's also common for them to inspect their bodies. Sound familiar? Number 3, they like to party. With self-recognition comes identity, and with identity comes a name. How about Finn? Dolphin names are not quite like ours, but socially, we might as well be the same. Not only do dolphins have personalized calls for their podmates, they even have different dialects depending on where they're from. And like humans, dolphins are social creatures and tend to travel in groups as small as 2 and as high as 1,000. Number 4, they know tools. You might be pretty handy with a screwdriver, but no one asked you. This dolphin likes to keep his nose out of trouble by wearing a sea sponge for protection against sharp rocks and crab pincers along the ocean floor. It's a technique that's practically exclusive to bottlenose dolphins in Australia. Sponging, as it's called, is passed down from mother to daughter, and is apparently a practice that's only 180 years old. Not only does this prove that dolphins know how to use tools, it shows that they can teach things to one another, promoting survival and building culture at the same time. Number 5, they care about you. No one really knows why dolphins have acted to save humans from drowning or a shark attack, but it's happened enough times for people to wonder whether these bouts of courage go beyond dumb luck. Some experts believe that using echolocation, a dolphin sees through our skin and realizes that our anatomy is similar to its own, compelling it to step in and help. While that's only a theory, it's not entirely unbelievable. We've got so much in common, why shouldn't we help each other out? And that's why India has declared dolphins non-human persons, because barring a slightly different arrangement of chromosomes, they're just like us.